And in this left-hand menu, as you can see, all of my added Outlook accounts. And now, for example, I want to remove or sign out this account here. So I'm just clicking on File and clicking on Account Settings and opening Account Settings here. Here you will find all of your added accounts. Now to remove or log out any account, just select the account and click on Remove. And here we can see, if you remove this account, its offline cached content will be deleted. So now all you have to do is just click on Yes. And here, as you can see, the account has been successfully logged out from my Microsoft Outlook. Clicking on Close. And this was how we can log out from Outlook app. And now let's see the process on Outlook Web. Once you're in Outlook Web, just click on this profile photo at the top right corner. And here just click on Sign Out and your account will be logged out.